The things that we learned throughout our life are part of our memory. And memory is important because when you remember what's happened, it's anchored in there in a map. So just a little overview. It's the top layer of the brain. It takes up about the same size as a dinner napkin, and but it's a lot different than a dinner napkin. There's about 150 columns that are like springs of a mattress, and it's kind of like those really fancy fabric mattress, But unlike a mattress, it's actually more like a forest, like those sequoia trees. And so they're all talking to each other, making plans and thinking about things, but it's basically like a team that discuss things. Different people specialize with various things. Different people remember different things. Different people notice different things. They all have different backgrounds, different talents, different ways of looking at things. And that's how your brain is. But each column, yeah, 150,000. And each column actually, it's like they all have little micro columns that it's kind of like each like this, like the size of a spaghetti strand. And like the dry spaghetti, coil that up. So really, what is the brain? The brain recognizes patterns over time. And the things that you learn as you're growing up, as you're learning, as you're falling, as you're crawling, as you're trying to figure out what you are doing in the world and what this all means. And as you're going to school and you're learning about yourself and about others and how to relate to others and how they relate to you and about how to move and how to just live, right? All that's stored in here.